Hey y'all, I'm Elisa, the Scrappy Wife behind ScrappyWife.com, and this is my last Hip Kit Club subscription. Find out why. All right, so what's new this Wednesday is my new subscription from the Hip Kit Club and what is my last subscription from the Hip Kit Club. I have been subscribing off and on to them for maybe 2 years now, and I just had to pause my subscription. And this is just a hint that I give to everybody. I love these subscription services. I think they're so fabulous. I think it's fun to see how these companies put together these different kits, and I love seeing them, but there is a point where your craft room, your craft studio might get too full. You might have too many supplies, and that is the point that I'm at now. And when I reach that point, depending on what it is and what it involves, then I put a pause. So right now I have stopped my Hip Kit Club subscription. I can always check and see if there are different kits released that I love. You can buy the kits one-off. I just won't be receiving it every month automatically. You have to pause. You have to take inventory. You cannot just keep bringing things into your space if they are not getting used, or you're going to have to start destashing. And the truth is, I like all the things I have. I love the Hip Kit Club, so I don't want to get rid of what I have because I still want to use it. I just haven't gotten a chance to get through it all. So that being said, this is my subscription from the month of March, I believe, and I'm going to unbox it and show you what's inside. Hip Kit Club is a monthly subscription, but they also sell their kits like one-off kits. It's just a little bit more expensive when you do that. So I will link them down below, hipkitclub.net. Not sponsored, not affiliated. I just really like the company. All right, let's unbox this. Okay, this month is a little bit different because it's not done by Hip Kit Club artists. There are some, this one is one that has been curated. There's some different pieces in here. It's like a mixture. So a lot of times they will have their Hip Kit Club artists kind of do a full kit. This one appears to be like a mixture of a couple different things. I do see some Hip Kit Club exclusives, so we'll kind of see how it all goes together. I kind of like to start with the papers because I feel like that gives you a good sense. Now the papers do seem to be some Hip Kit Club, that's hard to say really fast, Hip Kit Club exclusives. This one is called, this line appears to be called Harmony. So they come all wrapped up. These are 12 by 12 papers. You might say that this is intended for scrapbooking, but in all truthfulness, I think I use it for so many different things. All right, this one is called Daydream Love. Oh, the bright colors. Oh, the whimsy of the Hip Kit Club. This one's called Forgotten Wishes. Look at the sketchy, like, flowers. Oh, this is a pretty one, you guys. So it's hard when you get the kit and you love the kit, and it's hard to just let it go, knowing that I'm full, I don't need to keep receiving this, taking a break. Still love it. Glass marble and some spotty dots with a little mixed media. This definitely has a mixed media feel to it. Oh, these are pretty. Impressions. Love the florals in a beautiful blue on the back. Oh my goodness. Journal entry. Yes, that one is begging for a beautiful journal entry. Oh my goodness. Oh, with this beautiful yellow, there's like, it's like a want ad kind of feel on the back, but in that yellow. So good. Look at the butterflies kaleidoscope. Oh, let me know down below. Do you do the same thing? Do you pause subscription kits? And do you have as hard of a time doing that as I do? Because I have a really hard time. Library visit, adorable. Love the collage feel. And then black and white kind of stripes on the back. That's fun. This is very mixed media kind of feel. Making memories. The bright colors definitely call out spring. Simple connections. This is so good. Oh, look at the purple. Oh my goodness. Oh, I love Sweet Melody. You guys. Nice simple B-side. Ooh, this one's bright. Vintage Blooms. Feels like a modern twist on a old school wallpaper. In the back, gorgeous pink. And then we have Write Me a Letter. Okay, so if I'm ending the subscription, this is certainly a good one to end on because my goodness, those are absolutely beautiful. Love, love, love. Then you get some other pieces in the kit. So this one is Simple Stories. These are like cardstock stickers. Beautiful. Oh my goodness. Simple Vintage Life in Bloom. Is this a new line from Simple Story? And if it is, I feel like I want this line because I think that is so cute. This is a cool thing when you get samples of like other ones. So this is also a Simple Stories, Simple Vintage Life in Bloom. These are chipboard stickers. Those are gorgeous. I totally want to check out that whole line. That's the other thing that stopping a subscription allows me to do is actually kind of research and check out some of the new lines that have released and see if those are ones that I would be interested in. Those are beautiful. Love, love, love the cardstock stickers. Love the chipboard. Chipboard I have a hard time using. I say that all of the time. I generally will save these for cards. I make cards every month for my top 2 tiers of Patreon. And so these will come in handy for that. The type of projects I do generally don't call for chipboard. I don't like adding that much dimension. So that's how I end up using the chipboard pieces. Then we have some Pink Fresh Studio. This must be another line. Chrysanthemum. Now this has a lot of pinks and oranges. I feel like this is a slightly different color feel. So these are chipboard flare, 25 pieces. Now you can also, with chipboard, you can usually peel off a few layers so it's not quite as dimensional and use those. These are lovely. Imagine the Perfect Moment. Love that. You have the alpha stickers. I love the size. I tend to really like the smaller alphas just because of the type of memory keeping and things I use these for would be in journals and things like that. So the smaller alpha comes in really handy. And that's kind of an unusual color. I certainly don't have a green that color. And then let's check out the ephemera. So there's, again, this is from Pink Fresh Studio, one of my favorite companies. Or scrapbook lines, if I can get this open. And this must be a newer collection. Chrysanthemum, let me know if you have picked up any of this collection. But now I'm super interested. And so like that, it works because now I'm super interested in Simple Stories collection, the new vintage collection, and this one, Chrysanthemum. It's warm florals, love you to pieces. There's something beautiful in every day. Perfect. Now these are going to feel different than the normal Hip Kit Club ephemera pieces, which tend to be real small. These are kind of more medium size. Oh, I love the postage stamp. Can we just have a whole set of ephemera pieces that are all postage stamps? That would be great. Putting that out in the universe. You make my heart happy. Love. Love the words. Beautiful moments. This is going to be so fun to memory plan with. I love them all. Gorgeous. The happiest day ever. Happiness. Wonderful in every way. Those florals. Yes, please. Favorite. I like these little ones. Favorite. Good times. I know it's almost hard to remember to use the littlest ones, but they work really well in my memory planning. Have some more florals right here. Enjoy every moment. A new chapter. Simply the best. Gather together. Choose happiness. Some more journaling. This has I feel like this feels Mother's Day-esque. Like the colors remind me of May, Mother's Day, that kind of time of year. Put these together. Just kind of sorting them out. You make me smile. Another little label. Priceless memories. And this is us. So that's a beautiful set. I would say that's a few less than maybe you would get from a normal Hip Kit Club subscription when they create their own paper pieces, but I think it's beautiful. And I think it'll be an interesting combo because some of these have some nice cool colors. These are giving me warm color feels. You can see in combination, like that's still gonna go together. even if it doesn't match perfectly, they're still going to kind of complement each other. So you can kind of see how they curated the kit to bring, their custom papers, the Pink Fresh line and the Simple Stories line all together to make something I'll be able to use this kit all together. All right, so let me know what you think of this month from the Hip Kit Club down in the comment box below. I am feeling, I definitely feel a little bit of regret having stopped my subscription, but I know that I have so many gorgeous papers and so many things that need to get used, and now I have to look up these 2 new scrapbook lines that I'm definitely interested in as well. So it was best for me to stop. I'll probably still check out the Hip Kit Club. They'll have sales. They generally have sales in May, so stay tuned for that. They have sales around National Scrapbooking Day, which is in May, usually the first Saturday of May. So check that out, and that's a great time to pick up some kits at a discount price, but sometimes they do sell out, and this one is a really good kit, so it wouldn't surprise me if it just sells out during the actual month that it's for sale. As always, I will link products down below. Again, I'm not affiliated with the Hip Kit Club. I just really like them, and I like to share with you guys not just the companies that I'm affiliated with, but companies that I really enjoy. So I will link them down in the description box below. I want to give a huge shout out to my Patreon members. Thank you all so much. We are having a fabulous time. We are trying all kinds of new things over in Patreon in the month of April. And so if you want to kind of stretch your creativity and join this amazing community, then check out the link for Patreon down in the description box below. All right, I hope that you have a fabulous day. And as always, keep it creative.